Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. Today, I'll be showing you our new application status page and how it can help you stay informed about outages and other issues that some of our most frequently used websites might be experiencing. An application status page is a website that provides a centralized source of information about the statuses of a large number of websites and services. It can also give real-time alerts about websites that are having issues, which can be seen on the page itself or sent to you directly in an email. Really, a status page just gives you a nice overview of all the web services that are important to you and helps guide you towards more detailed information if there are any ongoing issues. If you're having trouble with a website, visiting the status page is a good first step. We've recently launched our own status page, which you can reach at status.pencrest.org, or by going to the district website and navigating to Departments, Technology, Application Status page. I'll demonstrate this and a few other neat features in just a moment. Starting in the district homepage, we can go to Departments, Technology, and then the Application Status page. Here, you can see a big green banner indicating that everything is up and running. If there were any current issues, this would be a different color and would tell you what's wrong. Below this, you can see a list of all the applications that we're currently monitoring and an icon indicating their status. Right now, everything is up. If you go to the link above, it'll take you to the full status page. This page lets you see the services in more detail and also offers a few other features. If you drill down into one of these web services, you'll see that for most of them there's a detailed breakdown of many of the components of the website and the individual statuses of each. Some of these components even have subcomponents of their own, each with their own operational statuses. Another cool thing you can do is look at the outage history for the last 30 days. If you switch over to the History tab, you'll see a nice timeline like this, with the color of the blocks indicating the status at that time. For example, you can see here that Schoology had an outage a few days ago. If you want more information about a particular service, click on that service's status indicator. This will bring you to that website's own status page, provided it has one. Here you can see that Schoology is currently reporting all systems operational, as well as upcoming scheduled maintenance and details about past incidents. If we take a look at a few other services, you'll see that they have similar status pages. If you want to be immediately informed when a site you use a lot may be experiencing an outage, you can use the Subscribe to Updates feature. This will send you email alerts every time the status changes on one of the services that you've chosen to monitor. What's really nice about this feature is that you can select the individual services that you want to follow, so you only get notifications that are relevant to you. For example, maybe I only want to receive notifications for Schoology, PowerSchool, and School Messenger. If so, all I need to do is enter the names in this box down at the bottom. But what would it have looked like if there had been an issue? Starting the district page again, we can go to Departments, Technology, Application Status page. This time, you can see that the main banner is blue instead of green. It indicates that 3 services are experiencing issues. You can see in the list below that 3 services have blue wrench icons instead of green check marks, which means that they're undergoing scheduled maintenance and may have limited availability. Switching over to the main status page, we can get some more information about the issue. You can see that the 3 services with issues are placed at the top to make them easier to find. Looking at the affected components, we can see that they're all related to PowerSchool. So, PowerSchool must be doing some maintenance. You can also view a summary of all issues at once from the drop-down of the main banner, which gives you a brief description of each incident. I hope you found this tech tip helpful. If you haven't already, I'd encourage you to take a look at the new status page and see if there are any service alerts you'd like to sign up for. If we're missing any important services that you'd like to monitor, let us know and we'll be happy to add them to the list.